make up tardy time. I had a young lady who lived in a very difficult environment, and she was late every single day. And unfortunately, at the high school level, if you're late to school on a regular basis, what do we tend to do to you? We suspend you. Isn't that a great idea? Think about the logical, consequence there. You're not coming to school on a regular basis on time, so we kick you out. So we want this young lady to come to school, but she's late every day. So I said, stop suspending her for being late. So I sat down and I said, your job is to figure out how you're going to make up this time, and it has to be made up on your dime. Therefore, you have lunchtime, you have study time, you have whatever. I want you to come and tell me how you're going to make this up. Because she was a high school kid, we had a good relationship. She came and she said, I can do this time usually during my lunch. I can do this time right before cheerleading practice, whatever it was. And I said, absolutely, that's agreeable. Make sure you follow through and do it so that it doesn't have to go to the office. If you don't follow through and do that for my classroom, it now has to go to the office and you're going to end up getting suspended. And that's just silly because we want you to be here. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.